Imagine ordering something online: a phone charger, a jacket, even a piece of furniture. Within hours, it's picked, packed, shipped, and already on its way to your door. But how does that actually happen? Behind every fast delivery is a giant building most people never see: a warehouse. And inside, it's not just shelves and boxes. It's a carefully designed system of people, machines, and software working together to move thousands, sometimes millions of products every single day. Today we're going behind the scenes to uncover how warehouses actually work. At its simplest, a warehouse is a place where goods are stored before being sent to stores or customers. But modern warehouses do much more than just store items. They receive products, track inventory, prepare orders, and ship them out with incredible speed and accuracy. Think of a warehouse as the middle point between factories and your front door. Everything starts at the receiving area. Trucks arrive loaded with pallets stacked high with boxes. Workers use forklifts or pallet jacks to unload them and bring them inside. Each shipment is scanned as it arrives. This tells the warehouse system what the product is, how many units came in, and when they arrived. Without this step, the warehouse wouldn't know what it actually has. Once products are received, they move to a process called put-away. This is where items are transported to their assigned storage locations. Warehouses are divided into zones with tall shelves, bins, and racks designed for different types of products. Each location has a unique code. When an item is placed on a shelf, it's scanned again so the system remembers exactly where it is. This allows workers to find any item in seconds, even in a building the size of several football fields. While products sit in storage, inventory management software keeps track of everything. This system, called a warehouse management system, knows how many items are available, which ones sell fastest, and when stock is running low. Some warehouses even use data and automation to move popular items closer to packing stations so they can be shipped faster when orders come in. This is why when you order a popular product, it often arrives in just a day or two. When you place an order, the picking process begins. Picking is exactly what it sounds like: finding and collecting the items you ordered. In small warehouses, workers walk the aisles with handheld scanners, following the most efficient route to collect all the products for your order. In larger high-tech warehouses, robots bring entire shelves of items to the workers, reducing the time spent walking back and forth. This is called a goods to person system, and it allows warehouses to process thousands of orders every hour. Once all the items are picked, they move to the packing area. Here, workers verify each order, choose the right-sized box, add protective packaging, and seal it for shipment. Many warehouses now use automated machines that measure the items and create a custom-sized box on the spot. This saves space, reduces waste, and protects products during shipping. Some warehouses even have conveyor belts that move orders automatically to different shipping areas depending on their destination. Next comes sorting and shipping. Packages are organized based on where they need to go: local deliveries, interstate shipments, or international freight. They're loaded onto trucks, conveyors, or even airplanes, ready to reach their final destination. Behind the scenes, software ensures that every package is sent on the fastest, most efficient route. What might look like chaos from the outside is actually a highly organized operation. Technology plays a huge role in modern warehouses. You'll see conveyor belts moving boxes, robotic arms stacking pallets, sensors tracking inventory, and even autonomous robots driving through the aisles. Artificial intelligence predicts demand, optimizing the flow of goods so popular products are always ready to ship. Everything is connected in real time, from the moment a product arrives until it leaves for delivery. Even though warehouses are massive, every action is precise. Every scan, every pick, every pack, and every shipment is logged and monitored. This is why you can track your package every step of the way. It's why warehouses can fulfill thousands of orders daily without losing track of a single item. It's why a product you ordered today can arrive at your door tomorrow. It's not just about speed. Warehouses also focus on safety, efficiency, and sustainability. Heavy machinery is operated with strict safety protocols. Many warehouses now use energy-efficient lighting, recycling programs, and even automated systems that reduce unnecessary movement to save energy. And the goal is to move goods quickly while minimizing waste and keeping workers safe. So the next time you order something online, take a moment to think about what happens before it reaches your door. A warehouse is a complex, high-tech system that combines people, machines, and software to make fast, accurate delivery possible. It's a place where logistics, technology, and human effort come together in perfect harmony. And it's a reminder that even the simplest things, like receiving a package, are supported by an incredible system working quietly behind the scenes. From receiving and put away to picking, packing, and shipping, warehouses are the unsung heroes of the modern economy. They make instant gratification possible in a world that never stops moving. And as technology continues to evolve, these warehouses are becoming faster, smarter, and even more efficient. Behind every package is a story of organization, planning, and innovation. And now you know exactly how it all works.